Caitlin, and today I'm going to be starting a series of baking tutorials. I've always enjoyed baking. Even as a toddler, I wanted to cook.
Caitlin, why are you sad?
Because
Because what?
cook.
You can't what?
Cook.
You can't cook?
Yeah.
And now I'm excited to share with you some great recipes that you can do at home with just some simple ingredients. We do use Einkorn wheat, the original wheat, the way God created it. Einkorn has never been hybridized and has only 14 chromosomes, whereas modern wheat has 42. It is grown organically and tested for glycophosphate. Its low gluten index makes it easier to digest. It lacks the gluten proteins that trigger symptoms of gluten sensitivities. It is higher in proteins and lower in carbohydrates than modern wheat. It is richer in carotenoids, B vitamins, essentials, and trace minerals. It is not bleached, bromated, or enriched. So that, in summary, is why we use Einkorn. And now, here are a few of the recipes that I have made and plan to share with you in the coming weeks. If you have any questions or would like to see a specific type of baking, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, God bless, and hopefully I'll see you in the kitchen.